Installing a PCIe riser assembly and adapter. If the PCIe riser card is not installed in the riser cage, install it. Align the screw holes of the PCIe riser card with the corresponding holes on the riser cage, and then install the PCIe riser card. Fasten the screws to secure the PCIe riser card to the PCIe riser cage. Align the adapter with the PCIe connector, and then carefully press the adapter straight into the connector until it is securely seated. Fasten the screw to secure the adapter. If the PCIe cables have been disconnected from the system board, reconnect these cables to the system board. Connect the PCIe riser power cable to the riser. Align the edges of the PCIe riser assembly with the edges of the node, and then install the PCIe riser assembly. Fasten the captive screw to secure the PCIe riser assembly to the node. If necessary, reinstall the GPU air duct. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.